What is up, my beautiful best friends? So today's video is going to be a whole video on nails. So pretty much I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get nails like this for like $5 to $8 at home rather than spending what, $30 to $200, even more to get your nails done. I don't know, I feel like a lot of people don't know how easy it is to do your nails at home. I have a couple ways to do my nails at home that is more affordable than going to a salon, but I'm only gonna be talking about one way today, which is what I have on my nails right now. What I love about these is the details. If you want to see all the other ways, I use these, I use some other things. I've just gotten like really into doing my nails at home to like save money and also just to like have fun with it and to make sure like you like them every single time. I also got my hair done. I got my extensions a little longer. Oh my god, actually like so long. My bangs are still growing out. Love that. It's like I don't even know what to do with them at this point. Depending where you buy these nails, they can range from like $5 to $10, but I'll put some screenshots here of like places and how much they are. Let me know if you guys like this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you do. And yeah, without further ado, let's get started. This is the large length. I prefer the large length. I like the shape and stuff. This is the Glam Fantasy Ultimate Nails. They're these beautiful periwinkle nails with some like iridescent and sparkly nails. Pretty much when you open it up, it comes with everything you need. Okay, when you open this up. So these are the nails and this is the nail glue it comes with. These are some stickers you can put under the nail for protection. So in here you have the protective piece, a file, and this little wooden thing, which I think you know, cuticles, all that. I already pushed down my cuticles. I don't have the cutest nails right now, but we're gonna fix that. When you open this, there's all the extra nails in here. If this angle's weird, I'm sorry. I tried to make it like the best I could. So the cool thing about these nails is that there's numbers on the back of all the nails. It's really hard to see, but right there, there'll be a number at the top. Helps you know that you're putting the right nail on both hands. For nails like this that have patterns, I like to see how many normal nails like this there are and then choose what to do for the accents. I'm gonna lay them all out. This is 10, 11. I'm gonna do it smallest to biggest right here. Oh, I'll just check back in once I'm done with all this. So I lined up all the nails right here. Sometimes I skip this step, sometimes I don't, but these are good for if you want to protect your nails. These nails already don't damage your nails nearly as much as acrylics, but this helps to have them not damaged at all, like literally untouched. So I just put it on like so. I just stuck it on like that. I don't know if you can see that. And then you take off the plastic on top. You see how this one's glossy and the other one aren't, and it's a little sticky. Personally, I don't love using these, but you can do that if you want. And I'm sorry for the shadow, it's the tripod and I could not find a way to get rid of it. Okay, so then I'm gonna take the glue that it comes with, like that, just some glue. If you get the glue on your skin, it'll leave kind of like a layer and you have to kind of like peel it off, so be careful about the glue. So I'm gonna take the smallest one, which is 11, apply some glue, just like, you know, I say pea-sized little dot. Not too much, not too little. And then you're gonna stick it to the nail. Look at that, guys. So that's what it looks like. I don't know if you saw how easy that was, but to get yourself a nail looking like that in literally a second. Yes, I love. Okay, so I usually do each pinky and then, you know, each ring finger, etc., etc. I do both hands at once. You don't want to apply it too far on the cuticle. You want to get it not on the cuticle actually at all, or it'll hurt because it's not letting your nail grow. But you literally just put some glue on the base of it, and then let's see if I can get a good angle for you guys. Stick it on right in the middle of your nail, like so, like that. I'm actually gonna take this one off and do the accent. No! Okay, I just ruined my whole mess up. Did you guys see that? That was so sad. Honestly, I get so many compliments when I wear nails like this. Look how beautiful so far. There's a little bit of extra at the top, so you just file that off, like little nubs almost. Just file the inside and the top. Look, I'm almost-ish done. I'm gonna do the thumbs and then the accent nails. Also, something I wanted to tell you guys, be careful about getting the glue on the nails, especially if it's a matte nail, because it can create like this texture on it that we don't want. We try to make it look like we spent $100 on our nails when we spent like $5. I don't know if I want to do sparkly or iridescent. Should I do sparkly on one and iridescent on the other? Is that weird? I don't know why, but I like the sparkly, so I'm gonna do that. Oh my god, look how cute that is. What? The last nail. Oh my goodness, guys. What? Look how cute that is. Yes. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. Is that not so cute? Check it out. Looks like we just went to the nail salon and spent hella money when we didn't. Hey. These ones are also really cute too, but I don't know. I like the sparkly. I feel like it could have been cute, you know, maybe like or something, or I don't know. And then all I have left to do is just file off these teeny tiny little nubs. I don't know if you can see what I'm talking about. Do you see those little nubs on the top? Right there. So I just file that off, file the insides. Also, so it just like doesn't hurt to scratch yourself. They all look pretty filed to me. I'm gonna go wash my hands, clear this off, and I'll be back. These are the completed nails. I'm obsessed with them. Little close up. Oh my god, beautiful. I love. Okay, success. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you found it somewhat helpful. I love you guys to infinity and beyond. I mean it when I say it and I hope you know that. And I will hopefully see your beautiful faces in my next video. Deuces.